What's up? What's happening, guys? Back here with the Rust Belt Mechanic. We are just taking it nice and easy tonight. It has been one hell of a week this week. You guys have made this week really awesome for me. We've jumped like 500 subscribers in the last like 4 days, which is unheard of. I haven't, not here on YouTube, but you guys are making it awesome for me. So it's been real hot this week in the shop. It's been like 103 degrees. So just kind of chilling on a Friday night. I don't feel like working on a car. So I had a couple of guys ask me, so what do you do in your spare time? You know, you build stuff, you work out in your garage. I said, well, you know, my garage is kind of small at the house I work at. Plus I don't, or at the house, but I work like 5 minutes away. So that's not really that bad. So I don't find myself doing a whole lot of work on the cars, especially during the middle of summer when it's like 100-some degrees. So tonight I'm getting ready to go have a little bit of fun, just chill and play with my new toy. I got myself a new drone. As you can see on my footage for the last couple of videos and Truck Masters that I took up at the truck show, I got a really cool 1080 to 4K footage shooting drone. I got me a DJI Mavic Pro 2. It's a really awesome drone, really nice, really easy to use, and I'm gonna go do some quick footage out around some landscape out by where I live, and we'll get some footage of the good old Duramax here too. Stay tuned. And yes, before anybody asks, my drone is FAA registered. I am registered with the FAA for doing this. So all legal, all legit. Let's go have some fun. Here's our DJI Mavic Pro. It's pretty cool. Got a little controller here. This thing can fly out about 2.4 miles. We're not going to go for very long tonight because it is kind of, you know, light fading, and you're not supposed to fly after dark or dusk or whatever. Well, that was a lot of fun. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm part techie, part nerd, so messing with my cool little gadgets is something really fun to me on my spare time. I want to hear from you guys, get a little bit more input. I want to hear what you guys do in your spare time when you're not wrenching on trucks or working on those fun projects and stuff in the garages. Let me know what you guys do for your spare time. Spend time with family, you like playing video games, gadgets, or just trucks and cars all day long. I'm not gonna hate. And again, I appreciate all the help and support that you guys have given me lately. We'll just keep on keeping this train rolling, and let's get up over 1,000 subscribers. That would be something awesome. Don't forget about the giveaway. Check out my other videos for that, and we will catch you guys another time.